Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix Hey Siri not working on iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. So guys, many iPhone 15 users are complaining that their Hey Siri is not working properly and they don't know how to fix this. So guys, don't worry, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix Hey Siri not working issue on your iPhone 15. So guys, first of all you have to check Siri settings. Make sure Hey Siri is enabled. Go to your settings, scroll down and go to Siri and search. Then tap on listen for Siri, listen for, and then you have to set it for Siri or Hey Siri. Hey Siri. If it's on off, then simply set it to Siri or Hey Siri. After checking this, then you have to check internet connection. Hey Siri relies on an internet connection. In secure, your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. After checking your internet connection, then you have to restart your iPhone. A classic but effective move. Restart your iPhone and see if Hey Siri perks are up. For restarting your iPhone, simply tap on General, then scroll down and tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to check update for iOS. Insecure, your iPhone 15 is running the latest iOS version. Sometimes a software update can resolve these hiccups. So you have to make sure that your iPhone 15 is running the latest version of iOS. After this, then you have to check microphone. Then secure the microphone isn't covered or blocked. Siri needs to hear you to respond. After checking your microphone, then you have to change language settings. Hey Siri might not work if your iPhone language settings are not supported. Go to your settings, then go to Siri and search, then go to language and make sure it's supported language. You can select English like United Kingdom, United States, or any other language which you can speak. After this, then you have to check for quiet environment. Sometimes background noise can interfere with Hey Siri. Try using it in a quieter environment. After checking quieter environment, then you have to check battery. Hey Siri might be disabled if your iPhone battery is too low. Insecure, your battery is charged. After applying this, then you have to check restrictions. If you have restrictions enabled on your iPhone, it might limit Siri functionalities. Go to your settings, then go to screen time, then go to content and privacy, and go to allowed apps and see if Siri is enabled or disabled. If it's enabled, then simply disable it, or you can simply disable the content and privacy restriction. After applying this all solution and you are still facing the same issue, then you have to try last solution, reset all settings. For doing this, simply go back and go to the general, scroll down and tap on shutdown, go back and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.